Welcome back to Hometown Custom PC. I'm the owner of Hometown, and I'm going to be showing you some things today. We are going to start off right now by putting Western Digital 1 terabyte hard drive in this HP Business computer. And here we go. It's pretty easy work, really, if you think about it. Doing this. I've did a lot of this work with HP and putting stuff together, and I hope you enjoy this. We will be doing more videos and builds, and I think you'll enjoy this. I'm just now getting ready to put the basic assembly screws into the hard drive to put it together. It's specially made for the slots on this. So I'm getting ready to put them in right now, and here we go. But yeah, our weather today here in Greater Cincinnati is a little chilly outside, but other than that, it seems like so far going to be a good day. Hopefully it stays that way, but who knows with this weather around here in Cincinnati. But yeah, I'm currently putting the hard drive together right now to go into the case itself. And I will show you step by step here how here in a minute. I am currently putting her together here, the hard drive, to show you. Little system like this we put together. This is probably about a $200 to $300 system, which it's a good system because it's right up there with the iCore 5s or higher. So, you know, it's a really decent machine for what this is. Just little minor upgrades. It's got SATA on board, and here's the hard drive. And now the hard drive's getting installed. You see, it's in the case, and here we go. Here we put the hard drive in right now. It's in the system. I'm hooking up the saddle leads onto it. And the SATA will now be hooked up. And I'll show you briefly here in a second. As you can see, there's the SATA hard drive in it. Next step is to put 2 DVD RWs in it. There's the one. Here comes the second one with LightScribe. So now I will assemble the screws into that drive and put her together and put it into the case. Now, when I say DVD LightScribe, it means it can LightScribe an inscription onto your DVDs or RWs. And that's what they use on them now. And then they have a DVD Blu-ray. I highly recommend that, people, I don't, stay away from that right now because it's things fairly new out on the market. It's been around for a little bit. But if you want to be a daredevil and check it out, go ahead. I don't use Blu-ray, and Blu-ray's not really economical because Blu-rays are very expensive at this time. And I will check it out later on in time when price comes down on them, which I can order them in at any time. And get it and put it together. And we'll go from there. Yeah, this machine's also, it's probably running 1 terabyte of memory. It has a copper sink cooler in it for the CPU to keep it cool and running right from overheating. And nice little system for what HP is, which I'm not. I do custom builds. I like brand name boards. HP and Compaq, by the way, is one system. And so now we have the HP DVD RW, screws in it, getting ready to go into the case. That will be our first CD-ROM that goes into the case, which we have to pop the front of this loose to put this in the case, which no big deal. And I'm currently putting it in the system right now. So but yeah, I'm currently putting her together, so it's a decent little system. You got to change a couple of bolts, but that happens. And it's quite common with these machines sometimes. Sometimes things don't line up as right as you want them to go, but that happens on these, because of different bolt patterns and stuff like that. So you got to change bolts every once in a while, but that's okay. Which they have different bolt styles. It goes into the case and in that. So, but that's what happens. But yeah, I've been building computers a little bit about me. I've been building them since I've been about 16 years old. And I went and did a year of college, got my degree, and ever since then I've been building them. Putting them together and selling them. Got quite a bit of people, local, like out from a Harrison, Ohio location. I probably service about 100, 200 people. They keep coming back because I'm most reasonable around. I don't charge $200 or $300 to look at a computer like most computer stores do, and so on. You know, because, you know, that's just not a good idea. You know, nobody wants to pay that type of money, you know, to get work done nowadays. You know, especially when you have these big companies that try to rip off people out in Harrison. I'm not saying no names, but I'm just saying there is a company out that way who is made a lot of people mad and pissed off because they've overcharged to have their stuff looked at, you know, fixed, that computer company has. But, you know, that's why we're Hometown Custom PC. We do a custom job. We give a 3-year full guarantee on all parts, all labor on it. And my suppliers keep coming, you know, they give me, if I have a problem, they take care of it. So, you know, they take care of me, I take care of them. I do business with the supply people that I do business with. You know, like Amazon, Micro Center out in Sharonville, Ohio. A few other ones, whoever, you know, we're contracted with on buying parts. And in that, so, you know, basically, that's the first time for us going live on a build. So I thought I would go live with you guys and let you see a little bit what we do. Oh, there's the first CD-ROM in. It's the first one in now, and I'm getting ready to plug it in, which it's SATA ATA. SATA is the newest thing. It's been out for a little bit. They've been around for a while, and I'm happy with it because it's faster than IDE, the old stuff. IDE was, it's obsolete, but they came out with this newer stuff, and it runs very, 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 very smooth for PC. No issues whatsoever. And I like that because it makes my job a little bit easier when I build these. I'm ready to put the second DVD into it now. In that, I've been looking a lot on Facebook and on YouTube. I've got a few friends that runs on there, and we all got talking, and I decided to run actually live for a change. And they said, check it out, try it. So that's what we did. And I actually like it. So now that's why we're going to do more videos. I'll even take you in with us live into one of our distributors that Hometown deals with and lets you see firsthand. This system that I'm putting together came in, and they wanted to upgrade their bigger system. So I do the trade-in special. It depends on what type of machine it is and so forth. And I'll do a trade-in, and then I go through them, and I put them back up for resale sometimes. You know, we're currently looking right now at the iCore 5s. I don't move up so quickly on the stuff that it's been out for a while. You know, the iCore 5 is a newer system, and I just trying it out, you know, with trying iCore 5s to see how they run. You know, it's something that, you know, I do before I put anything out for resale or recommend anything like that, you know, to anybody. Now, there you go. As you can see, that the video is in, the ROMs, everything's hooked up. We're going to take a short break right now, and we will get back to you on the build here. Thank you again for watching Hometown Custom PC.